In this video, I will guide you on how to change Shein address. First, open the Shein app, log into your account. Now tap on the Me section at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now find the option of address book, tap on that. If you want to edit the existing address, go ahead and select that. Now you want to make the changes over here. If you want to change the state or territory, simply select that and then choose one from here. In the same way, you can change the suburb, town, postcode, street address. Once you have made the necessary changes, tap on the save option at the bottom of your screen. If you want to delete any of these addresses, tap on this trash icon. Then tap on the delete option to confirm. If you want to add a new one, tap on the add a shipping address option. Then you need to add all the details here, such as your location, first name, last name, phone number. Then enter your state or province, city, district, postcode, address sign 1. Once you have entered all the details, tap on the save option at the bottom of your screen. In this way, you can easily change Shein address. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.